I'm going to try and scale a business from $0 to $1 million in 90 days. This is for all the people bitching in the comments. And I'm about to quit this challenge, and for it to just disappear ruined my day. I'm not gonna lie, I'm struggling to juggle my business, my personal brand, and building this new business. Building $1 million business in 90 days is hard by itself. Instead, I have to do that while doing these fucking vlogs, maintaining my main business, which is my social media marketing agency. It's time to stop! Yeah, I have a client. We talked on Zoom or on the phone the other day. We had like a proposal. I have to get them some previous client work and some agreements to see if they like it so they can sign over to our agency. And look, I have a whiteboard back there now. This is for all the people bitching in the comments like, oh, but you don't teach us anything. Let me put you on game to this influencer strategy that I'm doing. Here's Influencer Strategy 101 with Rene. 1, people always ask, how do you find these influencers? And the best way to do it, find people on TikTok, on Instagram, using the search feature, because most people will put hashtags if they're doing something. With the search feature, hashtag whatever your product is. If it's a fitness product, hashtag fitness review, product review. Hashtag product review is normally a good way to go about it. And what I did is I went and I found all the people that were reviewing products or similar products to mine. I made a spreadsheet with a list of every single person, and I just went down the list. Step 2, go and DM every single one of those people. So that's what I did. I went on the account, I made a little template of an email or a DM I would send them, and I would just say, hey, blank, I saw your product review on here, and I would love for you to test out our product. No! This is Patrick! Most people will say yes to free shit. So they say, okay, yeah, send it to me, and we'll go from there. And then my email says, I'll love to send you some, and if you like it, we can discuss like a long-term relationship. When they hear free things, they're down. So we sent them products. Some of them will even take the initiative. They'll say, okay, if I like it, can we do a sales-based relationship? In which I respond, hell yes. Because now they're gonna sell a product for me and they're gonna act as my marketing.
Tell them to bring me my money. Yeah!
Step 3, you send the products out, you make sure you get them, and then you follow up. So when these people get the products, you follow up and say, hey, did you like the product? How would you like to? And then you offer something. If you liked it, let's do an affiliate program where you get paid for everyone you sell. A post where if you post it and you sell some, you get something. Now you have people marketing and selling for you, and they're doing it for free. You don't have to pay them anything up front. Fucking go to influencers. It's free to DM them, to message them, to do your research. There's so many different ways to go about it. You don't have to always do Facebook ads. I was talking about how the ads weren't working and it was stressing me out. Good thing I have this option as well. I have this combined with the ads, salespeople, email marketing, combined with everything else that can build this business up. Think about that. That's a lot to take in, but you guys asked for it. By the way, haters, people that say I'm not gonna make it, look at where we're at. We're already at $500.
A few moments later.
I'm about to quit this challenge, to be honest. So we were doing good. There were sales coming in. Influencers were responding. Today, the Instagram account got banned. They don't respond to customer service. They take weeks or months. Even when you spend $10, $20, $50,000 with them on ads, they're not gonna respond to you. So someone that hasn't spent that much money on a new ad account that got an account banned, I don't even know why, because I followed all the rules. It's shitty. There's nothing I can really do either. I can make a new Instagram account and start fresh. It's just fucking... Hopefully I wake up and they respond to all of these messages I've sent them. And I get this email. But if not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Hey guys, so yesterday the Instagram account got banned. Took a lot out of me. That's my entire, everything I've been working towards, and for it to just disappear ruined my day. I lost a lot of my motivation, traction, everything. When things like this happen, there's 2 things you can do. You can quit or you can keep going. And that's really all there is to it. There's no special, oh, let me go magically fix this. I'm just lucky and nothing bad ever happens to me. Like, shit happens. It happens to me. It's happened to me. This morning, that's what I did. I just started over. It's not in me to quit. I'm not gonna let you guys down. The only thing I can do is start over. It's been a long day. I haven't really been vlogging, but I've decided to reward myself because a couple of things. 1, I got the ads going and they're starting to print. And when I say print, like money printer, that's what we do out here. We build money printers. So I reward myself with a steak. Not a good steak. It is like a chuck steak because I can't afford no ribeye. I got this like $7 thing. By the way, pro tip, if you got a steak and it's like a tough steak, if you put salt all over it, it'll absorb all the juices in there. So it's more tender when you eat it.
Yeah, boy.
This is today, March 18th, and we already got a sale from the ad, 2.51 ROAS. For those of you guys that are new, ROAS means for every dollar I spend, I make $2.51. If this can sustain, if we can get another one at this same ROAS, we're money. The challenge is gonna get a lot easier because now we just put $1 in, it prints out 250. It's a wrap. It's go time. We take off.
Got my own, found don't need some good in the club. I'll get it back in the blood.
Break rules, never make 'em. She act up, I replace her.